And it's going to be a bumpy ride today. As you look live at our Hollywood Hills camera, the wind is whipping around the region, and planes are still managing to take off and land at LAX despite the winds. Travelers may see some delays, though, due to the windy conditions. And, you know, it's really from record-breaking temperatures to a chilly and windy day. The Southland is really on a weather whirlwind where one day you're in shorts and a tank top, and then now you have to break out the jackets. KCAL 9's Tina Patel went to Culver City where a tree came down on a home.
The sound of chainsaws is nothing compared to the sound this Chinese elm made early this morning when it toppled over in the high winds and landed on this Culver City home. The family inside didn't want to talk on camera, but they are all okay and grateful that the tree landed on their roof but didn't go through it.
It was crazy all night and this morning. Like no one's ever seen, I don't think, anything quite like it.
Neighbors coming by to survey the damage say even though the winds have been powerful, it's still hard to believe a strong gust could take down a tree that's been around for a century.
There had to be someone with that particular tree, I would guess. I would hope. Oh my God, otherwise they're all gonna just like topple.
City crews are concentrating on the cleanup right now, but they say even though they think this was just a random act of Mother Nature, they will check to see whether other trees in the neighborhood might be vulnerable. Off the coast of Malibu, it's not just the high winds, but the high surf that is a concern. Swimmers and boaters are being urged to be cautious if they venture into the water today. And further inland, the gusts are also strong. They're believed to be responsible for knocking down power lines in the Hollywood Hills. Many people may have also noticed that the winds have cooled temperatures down a bit, at least by Southern California standards.
Weather is crazy. The weather's crazy, right? It was like 1,000,000 degrees last week, and now it's very strange.
In Culver City, Tina Patel, KCAL 9 News.